The left one is full portrait and the right one is zoomed in. Yeah. Okay. Hi guys. Welcome to the channel. Today we'll be making an eye portrait, which you just saw. Start with a nice sketch. Always start with a nice sketch. Otherwise, it's just unless you're pro, then you can. Sorry for the audio. Okay. The now start painting. First I paint the skin color and then start shading over it, so the eye looks okay. And these are the lashes. I usually paint and smudge a little, so it looks real. To get the real effect, you have to smudge a little, not over smudge, just a little. Now I'll be doing the brows. First, just hair, then smudge it, then over again hair, then smudge it. Little smudging, and again hair, so it looks hairy. For painting, I guess you just have to understand how to smudge, basically. Because sometimes you need hard edges. These are the lashes. I smudged them a little too. Yeah, sorry for the audio on the last video, the animation one. Check it out if you haven't. Yeah, I recorded from my iPad, so it wasn't. Yeah, for the sunlight, just paint the sunlight color, erase it a little, the strokes, so it looks the shadow of sunlight, and then Gaussian blur. Now for this color that you just saw, the shade got changed. I just painted dark mint green on layer and overlay it. Now on the eyeballs, in one eyeball, I mean, just paint whatever you want. I wanted to paint a guy alone in forest. Feels real. Yeah, I'll do more voiceovers. I'm liking doing this now. So yeah. It's easy. It's not that hard. Just have confidence in what you're painting, I guess. Then it turns out good. If you lose confidence in what you're doing, then you lose the doing. I'm using a lot of procreate brushes because we have an option to use them now. So why not and use our creativity somewhere else? I can paint this on my own too, but it's just the leaf and all is just easier now. So yeah, use technology in limited form. Yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah, subscribe for more. Link in purchase. Yeah, my Gumroad and coffee links are in the bio if you want to purchase any of the paintings. Digital print, it's available. And for thank you so much. Bye.